I'm Balasarathi. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my teacher, a very special person. This is Vasanthi Francis. She is not only being a teacher, she is a very good friend. You can share anything with her. She provided us this wonderful platform where we did a lot of changes. We made ourselves, we reformed ourselves. Even to me, I have taken few stages, but this is a very master changes for me. And I did explore many things. I experienced many characters here, and I reformed myself, which I think is necessary for everybody to reform when the right time comes. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank you again, Mrs. Vasanthi. This is a great pleasure having you here, and we did gain something from you. Thank you so much.
This is a great pleasure to attend this public speaking class led by Ms. Vasanthi. I learned a lot, and basically I met a lot of good friends, and everybody has their own experience, and that has given a wide prospect of what life is all about. And basically Ms. Vasanthi is a person always encourages every one of us how to go about, how to be bold enough, how to be positive enough to succeed in their own way of their living, career and their life. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Malar. I attended this class with the thought of changing myself. And this class has brought me a lot of changes. And Ms. Vasanthi has taught me how to speak, how to carry myself, and how to deliver in a meetings, although I'm used to it. But I've corrected and rectified and guided me accordingly, and in personal and in business. Thank you.
Action. I'm Vasanthi Vithalingam. Yeah. I would like to thank Miss Vasanthi for having me here in her class. And when I came in first, I was very nervous to come up to speak. But I think I have improved myself now. I should think so, and I hope I have, and I intend to improve further. And I think this has, in fact, actually encouraged me to speak more. So I would really appreciate Ms. Vasanthi for having me here and to guide me how to speak with confidence. And I have learned a lot from everyone here. Thank you.
Sylvie. First of all, I would like to thank Madam Vasanthi Francis, so sweet of her, giving us free classes. Firstly, I came here, even though full of knowledge, I was unable to deliver what I wanted to deliver to the public. She trained in these 10 classes how to speak up with confidence and bravery. At one point, I made it by speaking in front of 160 people in a SIG program with explaining about the benefits I got it from the food. So really, I was happy when I able to deliver in front of them without any phobia and also without shivering and nervousness. Really, from bottom of my heart, I would like to thank Madam Vasanthi, who had changed me totally from A to Z. Thank you very much.
Great. All right. Okay. So I was attended the public speaking for the first time. I was learned how to do it on the control on the body languages, which is I didn't know about it, and I was gaining from the past 10 classes without fail, attend all the classes, and without any expectations teachers was giving us. So I was really well. The reward which is I get it, the result what I learned it is from my public speaking in outside. That is a result. But said it, I have very big differences. There is a changes in my speaking skills and in career. Thus, thanks a lot, because you didn't expect anything from anyone, from the students especially. So I gained it a lot from these classes. Thank you very much, and please keep on continue the other classes. I have to enjoy it. Thank you.
My name is Jay Malar here, Jay Malar Batmane. Okay, let me give my
10 lessons that I've gone through. First, I would like to say I'm very, very blessed to be in this class with Miss Vasanthi. She has done a lot for me. She has transformed me from a person, I had this phobia when I go on the stage to talk. I used to shiver. I will be lost of words, the way I stand, the way I look and all that, eye contact. But Miss Vasanthi taught me how do we stand, the way we have stand on the stage, the way we talk to people, how our eye contact should be and all that. And most of the topics, it was just fantastic. I did as much as I can, and I think I've improved myself, and I'm willing to go more than this. I'm willing to learn more than this, and I hope I can do that with all the blessings. Thank you.